Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Chrome Password Manager. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your Chrome Password Manager, then all you can do is simply go to your Chrome. Now, Chrome Password Manager saves files and manages passwords across your devices when you are signed into the Chrome with sync enabled. You can simply access it via the three dots on the top right hand side of the corner. You can simply go there and simply scroll down to settings. Once you're in your settings, you can simply go to Google Password Manager. Once you are here, you can find like different kind of passwords. So if you have enabled it, you can get different accounts here and you can simply get their password from here. And it can also help for like security checks, for compromised credentials, and this way you can simply use your Chrome Password Manager whenever you forget your password of any account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.